Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 5.6 from the book back exercise from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Thermodynamics. So let's check the question. Choose the correct answer. A reaction A plus B gives C plus D plus Q is found to have a positive entropy change. The reaction will be. Now, here there are 4 points that they are checking the reaction, possibility of the reaction. So how do we check the possibility of reaction? By the spontaneity of the reaction. How do we check? By the spontaneity. If we check the spontaneity of the reaction, we are able to tell the possibility. And to check the spontaneity of the reaction, we need to check the Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free energy of the reaction. So friends, first of all, see whatever is given, they give the entropy change which is positive. Entropy change is delta S. It's given here positive. And one more thing which is given is in this reaction A plus B gives C plus D plus Q. It means in the product side, Q means the heat. Heat is there in the product side. It means along with the products, heat is also evolved. So heat is evolved. It means the reaction is exothermic. We already studied that in the exothermic reactions, a great amount of heat is evolved after their reaction. So when the reaction is exothermic, in that case we already studied that delta H is negative. That is, the enthalpy change of the reaction is negative when the reaction is exothermic, or vice versa. If the enthalpy is negative, the reaction is endothermic, like that we already studied. Now, the formula for Gibbs free energy is delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Now, in this case, we can see easily that delta H is negative here. Now T is the temperature which is also always be positive. T, temperature in Kelvin, it always taken positive. So temperature is positive. Delta S is given which is positive. But overall it become negative because the minus sign is kept in the formula. Delta H minus T delta S. So now from this we got that delta G value, what we get, it should be negative. Yes, we are not working on the values, we are working on the possibilities. So if delta G is negative, we found that in this case delta G value should be negative, and we already studied that for a spontaneous reaction on delta G, if delta G is negative, the reaction is spontaneous at any temperature. If delta G is 0, it means the reaction is in equilibrium. And if delta G is positive, in that case the reaction is not possible, or we can say it is non-spontaneous. So we have 3 cases. Now for this reaction, case 1 is applied, delta G is negative. It means the reaction is spontaneous at any temperature. Spontaneous means it is possible. So our answer will be the 4th point, possible at any temperature. Clear? It's a very easy question. just concept based question. So keep on studying with me. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you.